Hi, I'm Ken from Uptown Custom Auto Upholstery. I've been doing auto upholstery for 25 years. I do seat repairs, convertibles, carpets, anything to do with the inside of an interior of a vehicle. When you're having issues with your seat or convertibles and stuff like that, there is outlets. There's people who do replacements of tops and seat repairs. The foam's worn out from getting in and out of the vehicle all the time. And the material is, for the most part, still available. Back in the early 80s, I was doing vinyl repairs, and it was a Band-Aid. You know, it didn't wear at all. Most of the time when you were fixing vinyl repairs, it was in a heavy wear area. That's why it went. And with doing auto upholstery, you take that panel right out and put a replacement in it. So if the truck's got 150,000 K on it, you still have another 150,000 K before it goes again. They don't realize that you can actually take the material out of a seat and put exactly the same material back in, keeping it original and fixing the issues underneath. Your headliners in your pre-90s, they only last 15, 17 years or so, and then they start coming down. They start flapping in the wind when you have the window down, and people don't realize, you know, it needs to be replaced. And I have thousands of yards of headliner material in stock. I know what works because that's all I do. I like this job. It's challenging. I enjoy what I do. The customers, yeah, they're very, very happy when they leave here. Very happy. And you know, you make some new friends, and you know, that's what it's all about, right? I love when customers come in and they look at the job that I've done and they're so happy. It just makes my day. It really does. It gives me a purpose of continuing and doing what I enjoy doing. Starting a job and seeing it to the end, and that is just gratification. You know, the transformation of taking something that's completely damaged to being brand new again. That, to me, is what it's all about. If you need something fixed, seat repair, whatever, you know, give me a call or email me a picture, and I'll email you back with a quote. If you're looking for convertibles, headliners, and seat repairs, you've come to the right place.